Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Do you remember this putty knife? You've seen it over and over again on my channel. Let me refresh your memory. Did you see Dave Canterbury's video last night where he took a putty knife and a belt sander and turned it into a knife? Today I want to use my angle grinder and do the same thing with this putty knife. It was about 50 cents from the flea market. Let's get started. Finger tongs, might need some vice grips, sharpening stone, and my angle grinder. All right, at no point do you want this metal to turn purple. I just happen to have my fire protection sprayer handy, so we'll keep it cool with that. If it turns purple, it's going to be too soft and it won't hold an edge. And here's some inspiration, but right now it's blinding me with the sun reflecting off of it. So we'll put it right there. Now, just a little bit of a drop point right here, from about right here to the end. Take some of that material off. Now, this is where you really need a belt sander to put that grind on there. But I'll do the best I can with that angle grinder. Let's give it a shot. Good. Let's go ahead and sharpen it now. I'm going to clean this mess up. Not sure how much you can see. Got a burr right there. But the coarse side of that stone took out most of those imperfections. And it is really, really sharp already. It's going to be crazy sharp when I hit it with that fine side. All right, I am ready to try it out. Wasn't that nice of more to make their sheaths to where they would accommodate my putty knife? And that thing is sharp. The metal is softer than I would have liked, but it's not softer than any other carbon knife. Yeah, there's some imperfections in the metal. There's some thicker parts of the grind, you know, a little bit of waviness, but I'm well pleased. Let's try it out. Now, my knife is going to have to cut well, make shavings well, and scrape well. So that's what I want to try out, but I'm not going to go crazy with it. You see it just has a brass rivet right there. Now those other putty knives made by Hyde, they have stainless rivets in them, but I just didn't have one currently. Let's see if we could find some clear wood on this. We'll start off with this. This ought to be a no stress batoning. Let's try this 5-inch piece. Everything is still tight on it. Now here's a 5-inch piece with knots. I'll be very careful with it. go ahead and do some shavings. Razor, razor, razor sharp, which is an indication that it is soft metal. But that's all right. Considering its origins, I am not complaining at all. Let's see how it scrapes fat wood and then how it scrapes the ferro rod. It's scraping good and strong, good. Bayite keychain ferro rod, 3 1/8 inches long by 5 1/16. You can get on a 3-pack on Amazon for about $15. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. You want one last look at the knife? I am so pleased with that putty knife. What a great job it did. Still tight, still together. We'll catch you on the next one. Let's put it in the stove. We'll catch you on the next one.